sei bastat.
Every day is Christmas.
Okay, so now we're gonna watch this.
So don't mind my head, it's crazy to watch day. But I had to get last minute wax appointment with my wax on. It's fully booked and you're going to wax me. So this is the fit. I don't even know if you have this in full fit. Maybe if I don't know. Yeah, so this is the fit for the day. But yeah, so we're waiting on our Uber. My apartment is 3:20, my Uber is taking 10 minutes to be here. That's not how that one works out.
Eventually.
No semester.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay, so I just finished my wax appointment. It was the quickest wax that I ever done in my life. But sorry, I just want you know I'm a professional now. I'm a professional now. Anyway, waiting on my Uber to go back home. I kind of packed up without you guys last night because I got carried away with packing. I don't really have anything else other than like to wash my hair, to bathe, and so on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our hair today because I wanna pack away everything basically. I wanna wash my hair today, put up my hair in one because I'm gonna be wearing my hairpiece to go back home. So that is what the plan for the day is. But I still have to go home and edit yesterday's vlog to post today. It is after 4. So we're running behind time, but that's okay. And yeah, today's just gonna be a chill day and this final touches of getting ready. And after organized storage, I think I found my spot, but I have to see what's going on with that later. So that is for tomorrow.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So guys, I didn't wash my hair yet. I'm gonna wash it probably later. I didn't start the editing yet. So these two might upload the same day. If anything, just gonna loose my hair right now. And yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so it is minutes to 11 because this is when I decided I'm gonna wash my hair. So let's go wash my hair and style it. Okay, I'm gonna be back after I wash my hair.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, we are back. It is now like an hour and some later. My hair is clean. I don't think I comb my hair tonight, and I don't think I pack away anything tonight. That is me. I feel like what I should do is I should wake up early in the morning. Therefore, this vlog might be short, but that's okay. We can't always have long vlogs. Y'all are gonna have very long vlogs coming up, so let these be short. Okay, so I'm just gonna like moisturize my hair and put it up, like twist it in and stuff. So that is what we are gonna do right now. I love you tomorrow, you're only a day away. Tomorrow. Okay, so we are gonna moisturize our hair in sections. I'm just gonna do it like, not full back, because that's just me last time. So we're gonna do it in 4 granny plots. Once bitten and twice shy. They used to catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Doesn't surprise me. My hair needs a serious dye job. So we do it in 4 cuts. I'm actually very excited. There's so much is going on. I'm home. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. I washed it. I'm so confused when I brush it. I took the pack with the leave-in conditioner. Leave-in spray. But we are going to. This is Miracle Curls leave-in detangling milk. And then we're gonna mix it with curl defining oil. Only because I don't think that is necessarily curl defining. I just like it as oil. And like I don't normally use a lot of oil in my hair, but this is like a curl product, even though I don't have much curls. But it's like a curl product. It kind of helps me when I want to like detangle. So I have added that. It doesn't surprise me. You see? Look at how smooth that is right after. And it actually does help define like, you know, whatever colors I have. By the way, if you can't tell, this is like new growth. And then this is where my hair is bleached. So my hair is growing. I be trimming it every now and again. I always say I'm gonna film when I trim it. You know, I never do. Film while I trim it. So, like that. And then it just feels so nice and smooth going in. And this is gonna lock in the moisture, so in the morning when I'm ready to comb my hair, I don't have to worry about anything. Granny plaits for the win. Granny plaits for the win. But every time I do this, I have to like wipe off. Because it gets greasy and I can't hold the bottle. Doesn't surprise me. I didn't spray it with water. I just came out the bath. I don't necessarily need to spray it with water, you know. Ooh. I absolutely love how this makes my hair feel. After the wax today, I also did like an everything shower. Where like I normally shave my arms. So like I shave my arms. I shave like every 2 months. I shaved my arms. And then I shaved my legs. Because if we're baby smooth, why not be baby smooth everywhere? You know? Doesn't surprise me. Oh, length. And then I have to trim it so often too. Not mad. Should I do it in stripes? Where did the accent come from? I feel like these are huge sections though. To do my granny plaits. But it's too lazy to do anymore. So let's walk with this. Look at my hair in the middle. This apparently is from like, look. This apparently is from like putting my hair on too often. But once I release, what else do you want me to do? That's why I've been trying to keep my hair, ouch, in braids more. So it's been growing out. It was really shorter. It was shorter than this, imagine. Before I came to Miami. I'm trying here. But every time, and it doesn't help that like I carry some of all of my hair, like all my other hair things inside of like the barrel. So I literally only have my ponytail. I should probably listen to. I mean, I did brush it through, but don't feel as smooth as when I did the smaller section. We are gonna make sure that we are locked in place with moisture because I'm not combing my hair until I do my hair by Charisse. Yeah, I'm doing my hair by Charisse the day after I get back. That is a surprise hairstyle in itself. Y'all just have to wait and see. I think it's gonna be like real Christmas vibes. But like Caribbean Christmas vibes. I don't care if it's like even. I'm going to sleep. Tell me, baby. Maybe I get a commotion upstairs. What is going on? Like the dog and all is barking. Y'all hear that? If y'all can hear that, it's like doors slamming on everything. The aim is to try to wake up at 8 o'clock tomorrow. Note, I said the aim. Did I say it was 100% possible? It is possible, but the way how I just fall asleep on, on everything, that's why it's the aim. Oh, I have food. I gotta eat up food. It's my last set of food. I gotta eat up the food. Something to eat before I go to bed. Tell me, baby. Do it. I have so much things to finish, it's not even funny. I'm like, I can't finish all of them. I don't have that much of appetite. Yeah, I like my garden plants. I did them myself. I think they look phenomenal. I think they look absolutely phenomenal. Doing your hair by yourself is actually a real flex though. Like, I remember when I started like doing my hair, like practicing with braids, and I saw a girl on TikTok was like, why don't you use your money and go pay somebody for a professional braid? And I was like, the professional starts somewhere, so why I can't start somewhere? Mind you, I just wanted like my hair plucked in for like a week, because I normally keep my braids in for a week, and I don't feel like paying somebody for that. So there's that. And I was just like, and then this year I've been doing my hair so often, and I'm like, look at me now, hey, look at me now, hey, I'm getting paper. I'm not really like, I don't know what I mean. Yeah, so like this is just a short little story to tell you guys. Don't let nobody tell y'all that y'all can't do anything. There is no in yes. You don't even have the same letters. I just made up that saying. Yeah. Look at this one. This one is long. And that's it. This one is long. Is it uneven? Or just because this one shrink up? Anyway. So, I'm gonna wash my hands. It just put on my bonnet and kind of just relax now too. Oh, wait, to edit y'all 2 vlogs. This one and the one from yesterday, because yesterday I edited. So I was sleeping all day because too much was going on in 7.2. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Technically, Vlogmas done as well too. It is 6 minutes to 8 minutes to 12. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. And until next time, tomorrow. Bye-bye.